If you've ever wondered what €1,000 can get you per month in one of Europe's most expensive countries, this is the video for you, and I'm going to show you guys my tiny little studio apartment that costs me €1,000 a month. Before we jump into the video, can you guys please take 2 seconds out today, click the first link in the description and help my sister out. She needs 20 more people to fill in her survey before she can compile her results and finish her master's thesis. You guys helped out so much last time by doing this, and I really hope you'll be able to help out this time. Let me know in the comment section below, and we truly appreciate each and every single one of you that just takes your 2 minutes out of your day to go and fill it out. Now let's go to the apartment. So to get to the apartment, you walk up these like really small little stairs that are nice and windy, and it reminds me of the times when we stayed in Paris, and you got to make your way up these little staircases to the apartment. So as we enter, we have a table, a little bowl that right now I just have my cell phone, my wallet, hand sanitizer, and then a picture which I'm presuming it could be Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. It might even be Hong Kong for all I know, but I'm pretty sure it looks like a Brazil atmosphere. And then as soon as we enter, we have one cupboard on the right that currently just has all of my clothes, all of my jackets, everything. I just unpacked both my bags straight into this cupboard. We go a little bit longer. There's another storage unit here, and this unit has just all your cups, your plates, your cutlery, your bowls, your pans, your chopping boards. And then if we just go this side, there's another cupboard, and on this side you can see there's pretty much nothing. I just got all my shoes in here, my backpack's hanging up, and then all my little like bits and bobs at the top there that I have there. And now one of the main reasons that I love this apartment is when I saw this bathroom. It is so massive. It almost reminds me of my apartment in our house back in Ghana. My big walk-in shower. It is really nice, lots of space. And another thing I really like is this lighting that you get all the way across here, and it really just lightens up the whole place. Currently I am using 3 different colognes I'm dabbling in: my Calvin Klein, my Hugo Boss, and my Burberry. This is actually for women, but it smells really nice, so why not? I haven't even opened it and used it yet. And then straight after that we'll make our way into the main area of the apartment. I would say this is about 40, maybe 50 square meters at the absolute biggest. So as we walk in, on our left we just have some glasses, we have an ornament at the top, and then we have our main seating area down here with a very abstract piece of art in the background, which I really like. It's like a lot of things going on, and you got to really focus your attention on one little bit to really know what's happening. Also, you walk in, you have your normal table straight in the middle that I just have been using as a little workstation almost. And then this side, a really nice wooden chair that has some books, some art books, and then a couple blankets for if you're getting cold, and then a really nice lamp with, I'll block up the numbers and that, the welcome message to me with a whole lot of numbers and codes and that, what I need. So that is really nice. And then the kitchen. Now you guys know I'm not a huge fan of cooking, but I have made some absolutely delicious meals here. Just trying something new, always trying to develop yourself and grow new skills. So we have a little kitchen, and Belgium is one of the chocolate capitals of the world, so their chocolate here and their things with chocolate and are delicious. Let me show you what I've been dabbling in. These biscuits here are absolutely delicious. You probably get them all over. And then in Africa, in South Africa and Ghana, I get a cereal which is called Squillows. Here it's called cacao and wheat, which is pretty much chocolate pocket filled cereal. If you haven't tasted, you haven't lived yet. It is amazing. I've been on that onion train pretty hard. I got my boiling bags rice, and then my little 2 hob, my washing and cleaning tray. And then in here I just have all my utensils, some more dishes, some more bowls and everything. And then what's a house to without a fridge? So you can see I've just got my cheeses, my tomato sauce, my apples, my milks, my chocolates, that's in the silver down there, some more cheeses, some orange juice, some water, and then some more chocolate. I had to spoil myself a little bit whilst I've been here. And then the one thing, I've been sleeping so well here. I've been going to bed and getting at least 8-9 hours of sleep, which is absolutely amazing. I like a bed that is hard but also soft. Sometimes if it's too soft and squishy, it just feels like I'm uncomfortable the whole time. This bed is really, really nice. I like the backboard, I like the whole setting of it, and it looks straight out the window, so when the sun rises, the sun comes straight in. And then on top of that, we have a mirror at the corner of the room that just makes the room feel a little bit bigger. This plant, I was trying to decipher if it's real or fake, because if it's real, I really should be watering it. And it's got like these chewy bits in it, so it looks pretty real, like it's brown here, but when you actually feel it, it feels plasticky. So I have no idea. I probably should message the owner and see what she says about it. But this is costing, it's around €1,000 a month. This is through Airbnb, and if you guys don't know this area where I'm in, I'm pretty much in the Diamond District, Diamant District, and it is very, very expensive. This is one of the best deals I could find here. Normally you pay around this for just a room in someone's house that you got to live in, but so far I'm very, very close to signing a contract for my new place that I just went to check out, that I cannot wait to show you guys, because I'm sure you'll all love it. So that was just a quick little video of my little apartment. This is where I've been quarantining, this is where I've been living, this is where I've been trying meals, been working there, been having this as my workstation, and just really replying to comments and digging deep into it. So I just want to thank you all so much for watching. Please again, it would really help my sister finishing her master's thesis if you guys could just quickly answer the survey. It won't even take you 2 to 3 minutes. Just answer to your best of your ability. If you've got any family members that have some spare time, I would truly appreciate it. And I got a really exciting next video planned where I'm going to take you all through the city and show you guys around. So first link in the description will be the survey, second link's my Instagram. So smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals. And I'll see you all in the next video.